If you want to turn on or turn off vibration for notification alerts on your iPhone 16e, here are 3 ways of doing this. So the first one is to open up your settings. After that, we have to scroll down to our sound and haptics tab. Open it up. Then we gotta find our ringtone. Then we're gonna choose our haptics. So here, make sure that you have your synchronized default option. Right, like this, we'll have our vibration. If you don't need your vibration, you can choose none. Well, basically, that's it for the first variant. Also, make sure that it's set on always play. This is quite an important part. All right. The second way is through your accessibility. Once again, let's open up our settings. Let's open up our accessibility tab. In our accessibility tab, we gotta find our touch. In our touch, we gotta find our vibration. Make sure that it's turned on, or if you don't want to have it, make sure that it's turned off. And the last but not least is to use our action button. Our action button is situated on the left side of our phone, right here. So if you're gonna hold it, it will put our silent mode. And if you're gonna hold it for a bit more, it will turn off our silent mode. So decide what you need, and basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.